All right, now we're going to add WASD controls. So the first thing you want to do, make sure you're on your layer and you've selected your player sprite. Now over to the left, our 8 direction, it's set to default controls. We're going to uncheck that. All right, now that we've unchecked it, go back to the event sheet. Go to Add Event, and what you're going to do is you're going to click the keyboard, and you're going to say, if the key is down, which key? Here we'll start with W. We're going to do something, all right? Just to make this easy, I'm going to copy and paste each of these events to make it go a little bit quicker. So here I'm going to paste because we're going to do this for 4 keys. All right, now we're going to double click here and instead change it to S. We're going to double click here, change that to A. Double click here, change that to D. And now we're going to add an action. So we're going to go to our player, and we're going to say simulate control. See, it's 8 directions, simulate control for, this is W, we want that to simulate for if you pressed up on the keys. And now go through each one and do the same thing. Player, simulate control, down, add action, player, simulate control. That's our A key, so that would be left. And finally, our D key, simulate control, and that would be the same as pressing right. And now let's test it out. All right, so I know you can't see what keys I'm pressing, but I'm pressing the WASD and everything worked just fine.